Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Mag-practice tayo ng multiplication. So, 38 times 12. So, make sure lang natin na yung 8 at yung 2 dito magkatapat dahil yun ang ones digit natin. Dito naman 3 and 1 dapat magkatapat dahil yun naman ang tens digit natin. So, umpisahan na natin. Ito muna. 8 times 2 ay 16. Yan. So, yung carry, nasa taas ng 3. Next, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Next, ito naman, 1 times 8 is 8. Susunod, ito naman, 1 times 3 is 3. So, i-add lang natin. 6, bring down. 7 plus 8, 15. And then, 1 plus 3 is 4. So, ang sagot natin, 456. Thank you.